What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Smatree 14 to 16 inch hard protective laptop backpack. Now, this is a reinforced minimalist backpack with accessibility highlights and good materials, but the question is it right for you? Now, as for this video, it's featured on the Unboxed, Explained, and Demoed playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. And as always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. Now, you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the Smatree 14 to 16 inch business laptop backpack unboxing and review. Now, as seen on the packaging, this item comes in one colorway, and what's most interesting about this backpack is its flat hard shell appearance, which appears modern and ideal for the minimalist. Pulling the backpack out of the packaging is done by the convenient carrying handle located on the top of the backpack. The handle features a tag that lets us know this backpack is equipped with zippers from YKK. Now, these are good quality zippers which look great and should be durable. This brings us to the first storage compartment with the hard shell design, which is rugged and features little flex. And then we have the YKK zippers, and we're going to do a quick zipper test. Now, this feels fairly smooth. You can see that we do have a little bit of noise. Operation overall is good, but it's not going to be as smooth as their hard shell laptop sleeve. As for the zipper track, it runs long, which we'll demonstrate. So you can see the zipper track goes to basically the bottom of the compartment on both sides. Overall, the quality of the zippers and hard shell design are similar to the Smatree 15 to 16 inch hard shell laptop sleeve. I'm enjoying and highly recommend. Quick disclaimer though, unfortunately this item won't fit into the backpack. Now, once this compartment is fully unzipped, the lid opens 180 degrees to allow for maximum accessibility to all items, which is a highlight here. Wondering what devices you can fit inside this compartment? The inside measurements for this compartment are 11¼ inches by 9�3/8 inches. Inside we have elastic straps. Some of them vary in length so they can hold different items. And then we have stretchable pockets, which we can also store items. So here are some items I was able to fit inside these pockets within this compartment. Now, thoughts here are dependent on the items you put in these pockets regularly. The fabric may stretch over time and lose its elasticity. As for the inside of the lid, you can see that we have this mesh pocket, and it also features a downgraded zipper, but it does the job. And here's an important note. This whole compartment is fairly narrow, which means that you might not be able to store bulkier items like a controller or headphones. Moving on, we have the main compartment, which is safeguarded by a magnetic flap and features 2 pockets. This allows you to store 2 laptop or tablet sized devices. So first we have the Google Pixelbook Go. Then we have the Lenovo Chromebook Duet 5. And as you can see, both these items can store nicely in this compartment with no issues. Now, a nice hidden feature of this compartment is this elastic strap. So you can see in that top pocket, we have the Lenovo Chromebook Duet 5 stored. And if we pull on this elastic strap, that's going to allow that item to come out easier. And I like that for improved accessibility. Pushing our device in hides the elastic strap, and then we can secure the compartment with the magnetic flap. Now, as you can see, sometimes these zippers get in the way, so you may have to reposition them or slide them to the side. Make sure the elastic strap isn't in the way, and then that magnetic flap closes better. And then we have this strap on the top you may have been wondering about. We're going to pull the plastic off there. And that's essentially a buckle. It seems to be made of metal, so it feels like good material. And what this does is it secures this magnetic flap just a little bit better, and it's also adjustable. And then we have the rear of the backpack, which features breathable fabric and is slightly padded with a strap to secure to a rollable luggage handle. You can see we also have these straps which are adjustable. They allow you to wear this full kit as a backpack. Now as for comfort, when it comes to wearing this, it feels like you're wearing a padded plank of wood. So what are my thoughts? Overall, I find this design interesting. It's more minimal, but it does have a modern touch to it, and it's certainly rugged and protective. Now, unfortunately, you won't be able to fit bulkier items like a controller or headphones into any of these compartments. Now, I think this bag is ideal for a minimalist or someone looking to carry only the essentials. However, for a techie or gamer, you may want to look elsewhere. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way to show your support is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is hopeful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon, check-in out.
Yeah.